How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get veins to pop out of your arms and your hands, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So we're going to incorporate both arm exercises and hand exercises. So first exercise that we're going to do is forearm curls. So this is going to be good for the arms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick 5-second little break. So again, we're combining arm and hand exercises to get you an all-in-one great workout. So 1, extensions, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick little break. Next one's going to be another arm exercise. That was a hand exercise. We're going to go back to an arm exercise. It's going to be arm circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 15. Perfect. Quick little break. We're then going to go back to the hand exercise. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Quick little break. This is going to be a hand and an arm exercise. It's going to be wrist curls. So 2. This works the forearms, the arms, and the hands. 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do forearm twists. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quick 5-second little break. Almost done, you guys. Great job. Keep it up. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do is that we're going to do extensions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Perfect. Great job, you guys. So that workout, we included both arm exercises and veiny hand exercises too. So best of both worlds. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.